Good evening to everyone in round 2. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Ethereum analysis on March 11th. As we witnessed, last week we saw an unexpected rise in the price of Ethereum. This price increase continued up to around $2,200 and then the price pulled back.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Ultimately, the weekly candle for last week closed as a pin bar or doji candle. Now, with the start of this week, so far we've seen about a 4.5% increase in the price of Ethereum, and the price is currently trading around $2,020. As we mentioned in the previous analysis for Ethereum, after the drop at the beginning of February down to around $1,750 and the strong support that Ethereum received, we saw that the price of Ethereum was fluctuating within this range and established a consolidation zone for itself. Now, last week, for the first time, we saw that the price broke out of this range to the upside. This upward movement was not very stable, and considering the capital outflows from the ETF funds, we witnessed the price returning downward. Currently, the most important resistance against the price is the $2,200 range, and if the price breaks through and surpasses this area, it can form an upward trend. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of liquidity into Ethereum spot ETFs. These funds recorded a positive inflow yesterday, that is, on March 10th. You can also see the Fear and Greed Index, which has increased to 25. This index was in the extreme fear zone throughout the past month and has only recently exited this area. As a result, this chart could indicate that we are witnessing a cautious return of capital to the crypto market. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, following the upward movement we witnessed last week, a higher high was formed compared to the previous peak. In this price movement, for the first time in a month, the price managed to close above the
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
$2,150 level, and afterward, we saw a corrective move in the price. Now, in the recent candles you see on Ethereum, we can observe our second strategy here. In this strategy, as you can see, a candle with a long shadow has formed. Next, we clearly see several bearish candles that move steadily downward along this shadow. But as you can see for yourself, they still haven't been able to successfully close below the specific range of this long shadow. As a result of the positive sentiment we've seen in the crypto market over the past 2 days, we can enter a buy position here, set the stop loss below the previous shadow, and for take profit, we can aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1 or 1:2. You can find more details about this signal on the TF Lab TradingView page. To get a better perspective, let's review Ethereum's liquidity map. Currently, the best buy-side liquidity is above the previous high and around the $2,090 price range. Similarly, the highest sell-side liquidity is shown at the price of $1,995, and to reduce the risk of the provided signal and to avoid being stop hunted, we can set our stop loss below this range. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. We observed that the price decline continued down to the 1-hour order block area, and after reacting to this zone, an upward movement has started since the beginning of this week. One of the main reasons for the return of confidence to the crypto market could be that we have seen a partial reduction in tensions and a decrease in oil prices, which puts the market in a cautiously risk-taking state. Wishing you success and profitable trades.